Demonstration of PNS guided femoral nerve block. Patient is operated for TKR, and now we are giving block for post-operative analgesia. So this is with PNS. This is I have marked the femoral artery here. You can see the mark. So I'll go lateral to it in the inguinal crease. So I've set the current to 1.5. Here you can see I've set the current to 1.5. I'll insert the needle and look for the contraction of the quadriceps muscle. So I will look for patellar dance. Here you can see this is sartorius muscle contraction, but I will not accept it. I will go for patellar dance and quadriceps contraction. So I will readjust the needle. Here I got some contraction, but it disappeared, so I am near the nerve, but I will have to do some readjustment. It is a very superficial nerve, femoral nerve, and you have to look for the contraction of patella, not quadriceps muscle, not the contraction of here you can see again contraction of sartorius, but not the contraction of patella. So again I am readjusting the needle. Now you can see the contraction of patella. Here you can see the contraction of, initially there was some contraction, but now again it disappeared. So I'll have to readjust. Now I can feel the contraction of patella, some contraction of patella, but still I am not happy with the contraction. There are more of sartorius contraction than of patella. This is what happens when you are giving with PNS. Sometimes you don't get the desired contraction. You have to search for it. And sometimes you struggle to get the desired response. I am again palpating the landmark so that I can reconfirm the thing. I am on the artery. So I'll go further lateral. I'm not getting the proper response yet. I'm not getting the desired response yet. I'm lateral to the artery, but sometimes it becomes difficult to get the proper response. If required, I will use the ultrasound. Again, I am getting the contraction, but again of sartorius, not of quadriceps. Now is quite lateral. This is mixed response. I am getting some contraction of the quadriceps also, but major response is of sartorius muscle. So I am not happy with the response. I'm getting the contraction, but I'm not happy with the response I'm getting. So I'll try to use ultrasound and again want to see how it goes with ultrasound. So I put the ultrasound probe. You can see the picture of ultrasound. Now I'm inserting the needle. You can see the femoral artery, you can see the femoral vein, and now you can see the now in the center. So I'm coming in plane. My needle is coming in plane. Still PNS is on. And again with ultrasound, I'm very close to the nerve. But here you are getting only sartorius contraction. So sometimes these things happen. You don't get proper response with even with whatever manipulation. I am trying to get the response, desired response, but I am not getting. Though I am close to the nerve, this is mixed response. What I got when I was doing with the PNS, but I am close to the nerve. I will start injecting the drug and not look for the contraction. When I started injecting the drug, immediately response has gone away, and you can see the drug spread surrounding the nerve. Here you can see drug is spreading nicely surrounding the nerve. So drug is spread all around the nerve, but I didn't get desired response. So sometimes these things happen with PNS. You have to accept the sartorius response and go ahead. Drug will spread around the both. Here you can see the drug is spreading nicely around the nerve, but I couldn't elicit desired response. Maybe some expert on PNS can comment on it, how to get the response. So failures are the part of story when you are doing PNS guided blocks. Sometimes you don't get the proper response and you have to accept it. If you have ultrasound, you can confirm with it. Otherwise, sometimes you have to deposit the drug with the help of response like sartorial response. So this is all about it. Here you can see the drug spread around the nerve. The drug is nicely spread around the nerve. My needle is still inside, and you can see drug has surrounded the nerve. So here you can see the nerve. This is the nerve, right? So this is all about femoral nerve block with PNS. Thank you very much.